السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Our revision lesson today is the Euclidean Theorem. So what is Euclidean Theorem? As you see here, the Euclidean Theorem has two conditions. Euclidean Theorem ليه شرطين. أول حاجة إن أنت يكون عندك right angled triangle as shown. لازم يكون right angled triangle زي التراينجل ABC. خلي بالكوا هنا أنا بتكلم على التراينجل ABC is a right angled triangle. طبعا right angled triangle يعني ايه؟ يعني triangle has an angle of measure 90 degree اللي هي ال right angle زي ما احنا شايفينها هنا اللي هي الانجل B. يبقى انا عندي دلوقتي right angled triangle ABC. وكمان ال second condition بقى الشرط التاني ان يكون عندنا perpendicular from the point B from the vertex B من ال B to AC. يبقى لازم يبقى عندي perpendicular line from B to AC. يبقى كده في two conditions عندي عشان الأكليديان ثيرم. الكلام ده احنا خدناه، احنا بس بنعمل revision عليه. أول حاجة إن يكون عندي right angled triangle. تاني حاجة إن يبقى فيه perpendicular line from the vertex of the right angle to the base or to the opposite side. هنا عندنا الأكليديان ثيرم. الثيرم نفسها بتقول ايه؟ ال AB squared AB بار 2 equals AD by AC. دي أول حاجة. تاني حاجة ال BC squared ال BC بار 2 equals CD by CA وال BD squared equals DA by DC. ال BD squared equals AD by DC. or يبقى اللي ممكن حاجة اللي اجيبها بطريقتين هي ال perpendicular line segment. دي ممكن اجيبها بطريقتين. ممكن ال BD squared تبقى DA by DC وممكن ان انا اجيب ال BD بس من غير ال power 2 هتبقى BA by BC over AC. طيب تعالوا نشوف كده الكلام ده بقى. انا عايزك انت تفكر فيه وانت اللي هتحل الكلام ده لوحدك. عندنا if XYZ is a right angled triangle at X and XL perpendicular to ZY then XY بار 2. طبعا الرول اللي احنا لسه قايلينها من شوية اللي هي بتاعت الأكليديان ثيرم هي اللي هنستخدمها هنا. ال two conditions are satisfied اللي هما ال right angled triangle and the perpendicular line from the vertex of the right angle to the base. then xy بار 2 ال xy بار 2 equals ايه؟ equals yl by yz. ال xz squared equals zl by zy. ال xl squared نفكر فيها كده. خلي بالك انا هنا بقول xl squared مش بقول xl بس. ال xl بس في اللاين اللي تحت. ال xl squared equals ly by lz or xl equals xy by xz over zy. Example: ABC is a right angled triangle at B. BD perpendicular to AC. AB equals 8 cm. CB equals 6 cm. Find the length of AC DB, the length of the projection BC on AC. Let's start in triangle ABC. أول حاجة هنعمل focusing عليها هي ال triangle ABC. triangle ABC عندنا right angle اللي هي ال B. يبقى ده أول حاجة right angle triangle. تاني حاجة عندنا perpendicular line from the vertex of right angle to the opposite side or to the hypotenuse. Since the measure of angle ABC is 90 degree then أنا lengths اللي معايا هي ال AB and CB. لو فكرنا كده شوية لما يبقى معايا ال AB وال CB ودول two sides of the right angle in right angled triangle. ال two sides دول هما ال two sides بتوع right angle في right angled triangle. نعرف نجيب ال third side اللي هو يبقى الهايبوتنس. طبعا بنستخدم ايه؟ خلي بالك بقى الثيرم اللي هي بتاعت the theorem of Pythagoras is very, very important, and we will use it this term, the next term, and the next term, and the next term till secondary 3. It is very, very important, and you have to save it in your mind. علشان نجيب ال AC squared equals AB squared plus BC squared. So to get AC squared, we will make a plus of, or we will add 6 power 2 plus 8 power 2. 36 plus 64, which equals 100. AC equals the square root of 100, which is 10 centimeters. Since the measure of angle ABC is 90 degree and BD is perpendicular to AC, then to get BD, how can we get BD? So we already have the first required, which is AC equals 10 centimeters, and we want to get BD. So to get BD, we have two methods to get it. What is the method that we will use here is a second, BD, because we have the length BA, BC, and AC. So BD equals AB by BC over AC, which is equal 4.8 centimeters. The length of the projection of BC on AC is، علشان اجيب اللينث بتاع البروجيكشن of BC on AC لازم اعرف هو البروجيكشن ايه اصلا. البروجيكشن of BC on AC is DC. So the required here is to get the length of DC. How can we get it? Since the measure of angle ABC is 90 degree and BD perpendicular to AC، امتى بنقول اللاين ده او امتى بنقول الجافن ده؟ يبقى اللي بعد كده على طول هنستخدم ايه؟ لان دي الفانكشنز او الكونديشنز بتاعه الإيكليديان ثيرم، فيبقى اكيد طالما انا قلت كده يبقى انا هستخدم الإيكليديان ثيرم. طيب how can we use Euclidean theorem to get the length of BC? BC squared equals CD by CA. Okay, so BC squared equals CD by CA. أنا مش معايا ال CD، أنا معايا ال BC ومعايا ال CA. So to get CD we'll make a division. So 6 squared equals CD by 10, so CD equals 3.6. The length of projection AB on AC is AD. So AB squared equals AD by AC, 8 power 2 equals AD by 10, which is equal, so AD equals 6.4. دي طريقة علشان نجيب اللينث بتاع ال AD. خلاص، ازاي بقى نجيبها بطريقة تانية؟ احنا معانا كده كده اللينث بتاع معانا اللينث بتاع ال AC كاملا اللي هو 10 اللي جبناه في الأول خالص، فنعمل 10 minus 3.6 equals 6.4 centimeters. Complete each of the following. عندنا هنا right angle triangle ABC. So and we have a perpendicular line from the vertex of the right angle A to BC. So AD perpendicular to BC. Complete each of the following. How to get AC power 2? AC power 2, and you have to focus. AC power 2 equals blah 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 plus blah blah blah. Okay, so AC squared equals what plus what? So AC is a hypotenuse in a triangle of these three triangles. احنا عندنا هنا 3 triangles. Triangle ABC, triangle ABD, triangle ADC. Triangle that has AC as a hypotenuse. Which one of them? Yes, perfect. The triangle ADC. So the triangle ADC, we have D is right angle in it. What is the hypotenuse? The hypotenuse is a side that opposite to the right angle. So AC is the hypotenuse here. So AC squared equals AD power 2 plus DC power 2. How can we get AC squared? And here AC squared, because we have minus here, so AC squared here in the second element is not a hypotenuse, because in hypotenuse we use plus, not minus. Okay, so we need to get a triangle that AC in it is not a hypotenuse. Which one of these three triangles? Yes, perfect, the triangle ABC. So to get AC squared, we will make minus CB power 2 minus AB power 2. AC squared equals a side multiply another side. So AC squared, and we have here multiply, so it's not Pythagoras theorem. It is what? Excellent. It is the Euclidean theorem. So AC power 2 equals what? Yes, so we have here a right angular triangle and a perpendicular line from the vertex to the opposite side. So AC squared equals CD by CB. Very easy. Okay, the next. We have here ABC is a right angular triangle at B, because B is the right angle, and we have a perpendicular line from the vertex of B of right angle to the opposite side, or to the hypotenuse. So ABC is a right angular triangle and BD is perpendicular to AC. So complete. How can we get the length of BC? BC, yes, it's so easy. We will use the Pythagoras theorem. We have a right angular triangle and we have two sides in it. We have the length of the hypotenuse and the length of one side of the two sides of the right angular triangle. So to get BC, we'll make minus, we'll subtract 5 power 2 minus 4 power 2. 5 power 2 minus 4 power 2 equals 9, and then make a square root. It will be 3. Complete number 2, the length of AD. How can we get the length of AD? To get the length of AD, we will make what? We'll use the Euclidean theorem. So BA power 2 equals AD by AC. We already have AB and AC, so the missing is AD, and it's so easy to get it. Number 3, BD. How can we get BD? We have two methods, and you can use any of them to get BD. Which one will we use? So easy, we have two methods. So we can multiply 4 by 3 the length of AB by BC over AC. So 4 by 3 over 5. The area of the triangle DBC. How can we get the area of the triangle? What is the rule? The rule is that half by base by height. So we can multiply half by 3 by 4, and it is 6 centimeters square. Okay, it was a fun class, and inshallah we will continue in the next lessons.